How to fix the OneDrive upload blocked error. So the upload blocked error in OneDrive usually happens when Microsoft Office conflicts with the background OneDrive sync engine. It freezes your file progress and repeatedly asks you to sign in or save a separate copy. Today, we are looking at the quickest ways to clear this cache glitch and get your files saving to the cloud properly again. Right, so the most common culprit is a feature that allows OneDrive and Office to co-author files simultaneously, which frequently locks up web permissions. To turn this off, left-click the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, which is going to be here, guys. After that, guys, you just need to click on the settings gear icon right here, and then open up settings at the top. Okay. And then navigate over to the Sync and Backup tab. Let me show you this one. And then expand the Advanced Settings menu right over here. Okay, and locate the toggle switch that reads File Collaboration or something like Use Office Applications to sync Office files that I open, and turn that completely off. This forces OneDrive to manage file syncing independently from Word or Excel, immediately resolving most file locking loops. And if the error still persists, you need to wipe out the corrupted document cache files that Microsoft Office stores locally on your drive. Right, so just open up a blank Word or Excel document right here, click the file in the top left corner, and then select Options. Click into the Save category right here, fourth, on the left side panel. Scroll down to the Cache Settings segment, right over here, and click the button labeled Delete Cached Files. Confirm the prompt to clear the data. There you go, and then delete here. Press Delete. And guys, don't worry, this will not touch your actual documents. It simply deletes the temporary sync files that are causing the upload block. That is it, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to drop a comment, like the video, of course, and subscribe.